Welcome to our today's tutorial. We are going to deal with what we refer to as mail merging. Now, what is mail merging? Mail merging is usually a feature in word processor that allows us or allows the user to create a document. Then this document is going to be sent to many people. In the process of mail merging, we have three major documents or files. One, the first file is what we refer to as the main document. This means that this is the primary file that the user wants to send to various people. Two, we have what we refer to as the secondary file. This is where the user types or gets the details of the postal addresses of people. Then three, we have the merged document, which contain both the primary and the secondary file. What is the procedure of mail merging? Now, let me try to input a text here. I'm using equals rand 66. That is the easiest way of creating text. And this one usually gives the user some information about how to use the word software. There are various ways in which you can manipulate the data. And in this, we are going to have some text that are created equals RAND, that is random. Then let's assume 6. That 6 stands for the number of paragraphs. So you see, we'll be having a document. Now, assume that this is the document that we want to send to various people. What is the procedure of doing so? So in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a main file, which is this one. We assume this is the main file. Then two, we're going to see how we are going to merge this document. When you are merging the document, there are various documents that we can use for merging. We can merge standard letters. We can also merge email messages. We can merge the envelopes. We can also merge the labels. We can merge also the directory. So for our case, we are just going to merge this document, and we assume that this is the letter that we want to go and merge. What is the procedure? The procedure, we go to mailings, and from the mailings, we come to the start mail merge option, and there we get start mail merge. This mail merge, these are the documents that I said can be merged. That's the letter, email messages, envelopes, labels, directories, and so on. So we are assuming this is the one that we're having, so there is no need of creating a new primary file, and this is what we refer to as a primary file. So the second process of creating a secondary file, we come to the second icon, and this one is to select the recipient. The recipient is now what we refer to as these are the people that are going to get the information that we want to use. So here we have three options. We have type a new list, we have use an existing list, we have choose from Outlook contacts. For our case, we do not have any Outlook contacts. We do not have an existing system, but we'll type a new list. In the typing a new list, a new address dialog box will appear. And if you look at these fields, if you drag here, you're going to get that we have various information that are in this table. So basically, we might not need all of them. So what we need to do is you come to this button, then you click customize. And in the customizing, these are now some of the field names that are within there. So let's assume that we just need the title, the first name, and maybe home phone. We don't need the others. So how do we delete the others? You just click on the field name, then you click delete. Then it is going to have a dialog box asking you if you want to delete. You just click yes. So you proceed with the same procedure with the others. Said that will leave the home phone, so you delete all of them. So this is the standard that you're having. Then you click OK. So after clicking OK, you'll get that these are now the fields. So assume you just want to send this to only 3 people. So for example, we need to put the title, for example, manager, then the first name. We use the arrows to be moving. You click the cell that you want. For example, the manager is referred to as Paul. That is the first name. Then the last name is something like that one. Then the home phone, let's assume 1, 2, 3. If you need to add another list, you come and click new entry. It will come to the second one. For example, secretary. And then you give for example, L. Then we have something like that one, 2. Then 5, 6. You need another entry there. Then you put another one. Maybe we have a cook. Then we have Sam. Then we have then we have 789, something like that. After putting all the recipients, now this is now our secondary file. You click OK. When you click OK, it is need to be saved. So we need to give it a file name. So the file name is, let's assume, mailmerging1. Then we save. So our information has already been saved. Our information has already been saved. Now, after the information has been saved, we click now where we require the information to be. Then we go to highlight. Use an existing list, mailmerging1, open. After creating, you will come and click use an existing list, then open because you have created. Then on the first paragraph where we need to be having the information, you put the cursor there, then you press enter button. And after pressing enter button, you come and click, you enter the address block. We have various ways in which the person can be addressed. As you look on this other side, you can take any. If it is that one, you just click OK. You're going to see that it has got 2 greater and less than sign. Then after that, press enter. You come to the greeting line. Greeting line, we have various. We have dear, we have to, then Mr. Randall or something like that. Then after that, you click OK. Then you press enter again. Now, after that, we can preview the results. You'll get that this one is Paul Bill, manager Paul Bill. Now, this is just one of the recipient. If you look here, if we go to the second one, it will show us the second one, show us the third one, and so on. Then after that, you come to the last stage whereby you finish and merge. And the finish and merge, you select edit individual documents if you need to edit individual documents. If you need to print, you click print the documents. If you need to send to the email, you click send to the email documents. For now, we are going to select edit individual documents. So you click on the edit individual documents and you need to allow the default to be still all. Then you click OK. After doing that, when you scroll down, you're going to get that all the individuals that this information was sent to are there. For example, that one is Samuel. Then this one we have the Rail Tour, and this one we have the Paul B. So that is what we refer to as mail merging. In our today's assignment, number 1, I want you to list the 3 major files that are used in mail merging. Then number 2, I want you also to describe the process of inserting new fields within the address book. Thank you. That is the end of our today's tutorial. Keep on subscribing to my tutorials. Keep on liking, keep on sharing, keep on watching them and downloading them and share to others. Thank you.